बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। Our today's topic is on friction. Our learning objectives are: student will be able to understand after this lecture what is friction, type of friction, importance of friction in our daily lives. Friction is the force that comes into action as soon as a body is pushed or pulled over a surface in case of solid. When a body slide or tend to slide on surface on which it is resting, a resisting force opposing the motion is produced at the contact surface. This resisting force is called friction or friction force. In other words, we say the force that opposes the motion of moving object is called friction. No surface is perfectly smooth. A surface that appears smooth has pit and bumps that can see under a microscope. Factor affecting friction. First factor is nature of two surfaces in contact. There are three surfaces: surface 1, 2 and 3. The wooden block have different surfaces. Figure 1 has most bump and has high friction, but second figure has less bump, so it has less friction than first figure, but last figure has least friction due to the smooth surface. The contact point between the two surfaces has a cold will. These cold will produce friction. So we can say friction depends upon roughness of surface and area of contact. More area contact with each other between two surfaces has more friction, and less area between two surfaces has less friction. And the third factor is the normal force with which the two surfaces are pressed. Here the contact area in this figure, and if the weight of the object increases, then the friction between two surfaces become increases. Friction is a force, so it is a vector quantity and its direction will be opposite to the direction of motion. Calculating the force of friction. The maximum amount of friction force that a surface can apply upon an object can be easily calculated with the use of given formula. Force of friction is equal to mu force of normal. This normal is equal to the weight of the object. Here F1 is the normal force, that is equal to the weight of the object. Like here, force of gravity pull this object downward, that is equal to the weight of the object, and This table apply a normal force on the block. This normal force is equal to the weight of the object. Unit of fraction is Newton, but here mu is the proportionality constant. We can calculate the value of this proportionality constant, that is called coefficient of fraction. This coefficient of fraction is equal to the fraction force divided by the normal force or weight of the object. The unit of coefficient of fraction is none, because coefficient of fraction is the ratio between two forces. The result of the discussion is the fraction force always act in the direction opposite that in which the body is moving, and the ratio of limiting fraction and normal reaction is constant, and it is known as coefficient of fraction. For moderate speed, the fraction force remains constant, but it is decreases slightly with the increase of speed. Type of fractions are static fraction, kinetic fraction, rolling fraction, and sliding fraction. When the object is in rest, so here is static fraction. Static fraction, in contrast, act between surface at rest with respect to each other. The value of static fraction varies between 0 and the smallest force needed to start motion. The smallest force required to start motion or to overcome static fraction is always greater than the force required to continue the motion or to overcome kinetic fraction. Kinetic fraction is produced when object start to move. We face three types of fraction in our daily life: static fraction, sliding fraction, and rolling fraction. Static fraction is a force that keeps an object is at rest. When an individual tries to move a stationary object on a surface but object is at rest. Sliding fraction is a kind of kinetic fraction. Sliding fraction refers to the resistance created by two objects sliding against each other. In sliding fraction, contact area between the two surfaces are greater than the rolling fraction. When object roll on any surface, it produces rolling fraction, and it is 100 times less than the sliding fraction. Our car wheel move on a road. The fraction between road and car is an example of rolling fraction. Role of fraction in our daily life: we can write by the help of fraction. It is because of the fraction between the tip of the pencil or pen and paper. Carbon particle from the pencil, lead rub off from it due to the fraction, which appear as black mark on the paper. Car moves due to the friction. Friction enable a car to move on road without skidding. It becomes sometimes difficult to drive and control car on wet road because water act as a lubricant and friction become reduces. In a wet road, this is because of water present on the road reduces friction. Friction enable us to walk without slipping. It is because of the friction between the sole of the shoes and ground prevent us from slipping. While walking, we push the ground backward and the force of friction act in the opposite direction and prevent us from slipping by making the balance. Friction enable us to light the or matchstick. Friction also produce heat. We rub matchstick against the rough side of the matchbox. Then friction between both of them produces heat, and this heat burn chemicals present in the head of the matchstick and it lighted up. Sometimes it is necessary to increasing friction because the treated tire of car, trucks and bulldozer provide better grip with the ground, increases friction by using brake system of bicycle and automobiles. Kabaddi player rub their hand with soil for better grip of their opponent. Here are some disadvantages of friction. It always resists the motion, so extra energy is required to overcome it. It causes wear and tear the machine's part. It decreases the life expectancy of moving part of vehicles. Since friction is very useful in some cases while harmful in some cases. Now, how to reduce friction? There are number of methods to reduce friction, in which some of described here. Use of grease. Proper greasing between the sliding part of the machine reduce the friction. Use of ball bearing. Here are ball bearing. In machine where possible, sliding friction can be replaced by rolling friction by using ball bearing. Design modification. Friction can be reduced by changing the design of fast moving object, the front of vehicles and airplanes made oblong to minimize friction. Use of lubricant. The part of machine which are moving over one another must be properly lubricated by using oil and lubricant of suitable viscosity like this. Now complete your home task. Allah Hafiz.